Hello everyone!
Ciao, ciao, dear Sicily lovers!
Mimo, please say hello to our friends around the world. Guys, we are very happy, very proud because this time we are showing you something really special and unique. It's the first time we film this beautiful location in all our career. After 14 years, we are here in the Aeolian Islands.
One of the most beautiful destinations in the world.
Yes. So, let's talk very soon where we are, what we are doing. This is Lipari. This is the biggest and the most populated island in the Aeolian archipelago.
In total, we have 7 islands.
7 beautiful islands. They are all different. They are all volcanic islands. Don't worry, it's not risky at all. They are all safe. And just to give you some orientation, you can see behind me, if you are good watchers, that's the Sicilian coastline. And the little mountain, the little hill behind me, the one that's lightened by the sunset, that's Volcano Island, one of the 2 active volcanoes in the archipelago. And this is the beautiful Marina Corta, that's the former port here in Lipari. Now it's the place where the fishing boat, the touristic boats, live every day to give people the chance to enjoy the archipelago. So you have many opportunities to visit the other islands. You have excursions to Vulcano, to Salina. Some people go to Filicudi and Alicudi. Those are very wild islands, and of course Panarea and Stromboli, that are the charmest islands in the archipelago. And Stromboli, let me say, that offers something really special. But I would like to show.
Let's switch. Let's start walking so we can show our friends the center of Lipari.
Yes.
And we can talk
about the archipelago and why Lipari is so enjoyable and very central in all our tours.
Look how beautiful is this square. This is
San Bartolo.
San Bartolo is here.
Yes, this is the patron saint of Lipari, San Bartolo.
But look at this beautiful square. People, it's a Saturday night. It's June 13, and we are recording this video today. And people are enjoying a walk in this beautiful square, full of restaurants and shops. Look, and it's almost sunset time, so the light is really beautiful.
We are just beneath the castle in Lipari, the Acropolis. That's very ancient. People settled in Lipari a long time ago. Many centuries before the ancient Greeks came to Sicily.
How many people live here in Lipari?
Lipari is the most populated island in the archipelago. It's about 9,000 people. It consists of the 90% of the whole population of the archipelago, because the entire population is 10,000 people. But I want to show you the beautiful street we are walking to.
This is Via Garibaldi. Garibaldi, like the famous one.
So we left the Marina Corta, the former port. Now it's the touristic port, and we are walking through Garibaldi Street.
Full of shops.
Yeah, if you are passionate about shopping, this is your paradise. And you have plenty of choices about restaurants, cafes. You can enjoy a lot of artisanal shops. This is not made in China. This is all 100% made in Sicily.
Local.
Local items.
And of course, you can have wonderful food here.
Ciao.
Ciao. People are enjoying an Aperol Spritz there. Ciao.
So you have a lot of opportunities, as you can see, to enjoy the archipelago. There are several boat tour companies that offer a lot of different services every day. You can combine the visit of the archipelago in several opportunities. So the most popular is the one to Panarea and Stromboli. That gives you the I switch because I want to be clear. I said the most popular is the one that combines Panarea and Stromboli. It gives you the opportunity to see the eruptions in the night because for those who don't know yet, Stromboli is the most active volcano in the world, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, and you can enjoy your nightly boat tour, and you can see the eruptions by the sea. Something really special. You should enjoy it. You should experience it at least once in your life. And Rosella, where are you?
I'm here.
What about Panarea?
Sorry, Gianca, I would like to tell our friends the difference between Stromboli and the Mount Etna volcano.
Oh yeah.
Because if you go to Stromboli, for sure you will see an eruption, right?
Yes. Stromboli offers an eruption every 15 minutes, so it's guaranteed that you enjoy the show. Mount Etna is also an active volcano, but it's not so
unpredictable.
It's unpredictable, and the kind of activities on Stromboli are pretty different. They call it Strombolian in the scientific way, just because it explodes every 15 minutes, so it can be dangerous if you are very close to the main crater. That's why it's not so easy to hike the volcano. It's also difficult. I experienced it 20 years ago, and it's very, very steep, but it's
you can enjoy the show just from the boat.
It's worth enjoying the show by the sea.
Now
So
let's switch because we are in the main street, Corso Vittorio Emanuele.
this is a beautiful pedestrian street here in Lipari. Let's switch. And once again, as you can see, there are a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants, a lot of places where you can spend your leisure time. And
You can see that there are also families here, local
Yeah,
people,
yeah,
not
yeah, yeah,
only
yeah.
tourists. So it's still an authentic island.
so Rosella,
But maybe our people
disclose why we are in Stromboli. Now it's time to say the truth.
to eat, to mangia, because Domenico want to try the local food.
No, this is not the main reason. Come on.
Yeah,
Try to be serious.
not for leisure time. We are working.
We are walking, we are investigating, we are scouting. Look, we're enjoying their leisure time. So try to be serious.
So-
The main reason is work.
Work. Why? Because I'm going to tell you. As you know, we plan the Sicily Lovers Tour, our small group tour, 2-3 times per year.
Sometimes 4.
So we have a lot of people that have traveled with us over the years, and they ask us, we want to come back to Sicily with you guys. We want to experience Sicily with you again. So put together a tour with other highlights, so you can enjoy other locations and other experiences with you. And so we have put together the Sicily Lovers Tour version 2, that is reserved only for people who have joined the first edition, the classical, we can say, the edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour. Right, Gianca?
Yeah, that's true. That's pretty true. So we are, which again, just to give you an idea how enjoyable is this street in Lipari. As you can see, it's not bad. If you have a good pace, you can walk from the Marina Corta to the Marina Lunga. That's over there. Marina Lunga is the official port. Is where the hydrofoils, you say ferries? No, we say hydrofoils. So very fast boats that they are like flying on the sea. So this is the way how you can reach the Aeolian archipelago by hydrofoils, and hydrofoils leave and reach Lipari through Marina Lunga. So that's considered the main port of Lipari. And if you, I was saying, if you have a good pace, you can walk from Marina Corta to Marina Lunga, let's say in 20 minutes. So it's not bad at all. And just consider that Lipari is the most populated island of the archipelago. If you visit the other islands, maybe you are ejected in a different world, because as Rosella said, they are sometimes pretty wild, like Alicudi and Filicudi.
Or more touristic, like Panarea.
Panarea is touristic, but it's very small. So it's a charming island. It consists only a few beautiful houses, vacation houses, only a couple of hotels, a few restaurants. Nothing compared to Lipari. Or Stromboli as well is not so big, is not so populated. You have only one beach, you have a few restaurants, a very small square where you can enjoy one of the best granita, one of the best Sicilian gelato.
And you can also experience the black sandy beach.
Yes, Stromboli, of course, is volcanic, so its beaches are volcanic too, so they consist of very small volcanic pebbles, and it's very unique. So you have the chance to swim and to walk on beautiful black lava beaches. Same story to Volcano Island. That's very interesting, because if you are sporty people, you can climb up the volcano, the mountain, in 40 minutes. It's easier than Stromboli. Let's switch again. So we are almost at the end of the street. As you can see, there are a lot of different places where you can enjoy your leisure time. Jewelries, restaurants. So you have many opportunities. Many opportunities. Okay, I would like to stop my bear on Marina Lunga, so the official port, official harbor in Lipari.
Mimmo, would like to add something?
Mimmo is impatient because
hello to our
we forgot to mention that in the Aeolian Islands they offer one of the best food in the world. Not only fish, not only fish.
For sure, you have to try the Malvasia.
Oh, yes.
It's a fortified wine.
Yes.
And
Let's say
to die
what's a
for.
fortified wine.
Yeah.
Fortified wine means that you keep the grapes under the sun. You dry the grapes under the sun to get a natural alcoholic wine. So it's normally stronger than normal wine, and it's all natural. So they don't add any additional sugar to make it stronger. It's all natural. And here in the archipelago, in the Aeolian Islands, they make one of the best fortified wines in the world, the Malvasia. Malvasia from Lipari is one of the best. Here we are in the Marina Lunga Harbor. As you can see, it's not pedestrian at all now. Of course, Lipari is not comparable to Palermo, to the big cities in Sicily like Palermo. If you are a residential, if you are a local, you are allowed to drive in those streets. If you are not, you can enter your car in Lipari. You need to stay in Lipari at least
7 days.
7 days.
Wrong.
Yes.
Oh, let's see the boat there.
Yes.
So, and then it's time to eat also for us. Something really special that you have to try is the caper.
Sorry, Rosella. Say again.
The island is full of capers.
Yes.
So you can put in the caponata, in the
salads,
also,
in the pizza,
yeah,
in the fish, in the pasta, everywhere. So here we are. Let's switch again. Oh, wonderful. Really a beautiful location. Rosella. So it's time to say bye-bye to our friends because this video is too long.
Yeah.
And we don't want to bother anyone. We will just say that it's a special location in the world. Now it's also very famous for being a filming location of an important international movie by Christopher Nolan, The Odyssey. But normally, so Christopher Nolan apart, it attracts every year a lot of people, a lot of celebrities, rock stars, actors. So you can see beautiful yachts, beautiful luxury boats, and you wonder who's the owner. Dustin Hoffman, Beyoncé. So you have the jet set here in the Aeolian archipelago every year. Yeah. And we decided once again to choose Lipari as a highlight in our Sicily Lovers Tour version 2. Mimmo is impatient. Mimmo needs something to eat now.
Just a reminder for our friends, if you want to visit Sicily with us, just visit our website, things-to-do-in-sicily.com, and we wait for you to enjoy Sicily together.
Yes, let me clarify something special. Of course, the Aeolian archipelago is included in our Sicily Lovers Tour version 2, reserved to people who came to Sicily with us, who booked a tour of Sicily with us over the years. But of course, since we own a tour company, you can ask to put together a custom private tour of Sicily all year round, and we will be very, very happy to include the Aeolian archipelago in your tour of Sicily. Don't do the mistake to ask us to come to the Aeolian Island just for one day. It's not worth the visit, because the navigation from the mainland to Vulcano to Lipari, it's 1 hour, so you spend a lot of time in navigation in vain, and these islands, believe in me, they deserve to be explored and to be enjoyed in more days, so at least 3 days.
Guys.
Mimmo, it's time to say bye-bye to our friends.
Yes.
Do you know the way?
Say all together, Mimmo. Love,
hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!
Ciao, dear Sicily
Ciao!
lovers.
Ciao!
Ciao.